Hi, Kathy here from Buffalo Check Chicks, and I have a simple project for you today. It is a DIY plant stand. I went to Walmart today and I purchased these fake plants. They were $3.97 each, and I want them for my bathroom window, and I wanted to make a wooden plant stand. And I will be using the Jenga blocks that I got at Dollar Tree. Brown Jenga blocks, and so far I made a cross. So I took 4 of the blocks to put wood glue, and that's going to be the base, and then I'm going to be making the legs here. So I'm adding 2 more blocks on each side all the way around. So you got the 4 sides, 2 more on each side. And I'll wait for that to dry, and I will be right back. All right, I'm back, and this is what I came up with. My plant stand. I ended up using 16 blocks altogether. I ended up putting another one in between because it was a little bit too big for the pot that I had. So now I'll show you how it fits in here perfectly. As long as it doesn't fall apart. I'm still waiting for it to dry a little bit. Having a hard time today getting the wood glue to dry. But that's how it came out, with 16 Jenga blocks and a lot of wood glue. And that is a completed project. And I'm going to be making another one also for my other plant. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I came up with another quick little idea. I bought these a while back. I think it was, well, this is $1. I can't remember if it was Dollar Tree. Anyway, I thought they were cute, but I was getting kind of bored with them. So I have a couple other ones here that I painted white. Painted it white. I'm going to paint this one white also. I just used Walmart apple barrel paint. And I had these also that I ordered last Christmas. I ordered these on Amazon. Anyway, so, and I had these little blocks. So I figured I'd make another little stand. So I just glue the blocks on there. And there we go. We have another stand. I like it much better.